kids. Today we are going to learn the 11th chapter. It is having fun. So 10th chapter we are going to learn in other class. So children, so what do you mean by fun? Do you all have fun? I hope all will have fun. So what do we mean by fun? So fun means enjoyment. Do you all enjoy? I hope all are enjoying now, right? Yes, fun means it is a good time to have fun. So fun means enjoyment. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So what do you think this saying means? So all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So Jack is a boy. He do all the works, but no fun. This makes a Jack a dull boy. So what should Jack do to become a bright boy? Yes, he should have some fun. So only reading will not make you a bright boy. You should include all the fun activities in your life. So let us see in what are the ways you will have fun. So we have fun when we do things we enjoy. So we have fun in different way. So we have fun when we do things we enjoy. So whatever work we do, we should enjoy and do. So then there will be fun in our work. So when we are reading, we should enjoy and read. So it will makes you fun. So we play in a park on a swing and seesaw. So what do I mean by park? So park is a place for walking with many grass and trees. I hope all have seen the park. So in park you have swing and seesaw. So in park you have seesaw, slides and swings. So we play games like cricket and football. So these games are played in the open. So these games like playing in swing, playing in seesaw, playing in slides and playing cricket, football. So all these games we will play in the ground. So we will play in an open place. So these games are called what games? It is called outdoor games. So all these games can we play inside the home? So inside the building? No, right? So these games like cricket, football, these games we will play in the outdoor. So these games are called outdoor games. So such games keeps us fit and healthy. So such outdoor games like cricket, football, while playing these games we will be fit and healthy. So we watch television means TV or listen to music to relax and enjoy. So all will watch television means all will watch TV. I hope all will watch. So or listen to music. So anyone listen to the music? Yes. So this will make you relax and enjoy. So watching TV for a long time will not make you enjoy, right? It is bad to your health. So you should watch for the limited time. Even the listening to the music. So listening to the music and watching TV will make you relax and it will make you enjoy. So Ludo, snakes and ladders and chess are some of the game we play inside our homes. So these are called indoor games. So do you know how to play Ludo? So do you know snake and ladder is and chess? So these are games where we play inside our home. So these games are called indoor games. So games which are played inside our home. So these games are called indoor games. Not only playing games makes us fun. So not only playing the games will give enjoyment. Some other activities also gives us fun. Let us see which are they. So visit to a zoo can be fun too. So this is a zoo. So where many animals are kept. So when we visit a zoo with our family or friends, there also we have fun. So we have a good time, right? Yes. So for some, going to fair can be fun. So going to fair, in fair you have many shops, you have many games to play there. So going for a fair also will makes you fun. So even reading storybooks, drawing and sketching can be enjoyable for some. So do anyone have a habit of reading storybooks? Yes, it is good to read a storybooks. You will improve your knowledge. So reading storybooks, drawing. So even some children have a habit of drawing also. So even drawing, sketching can also be enjoyable for fun. So, do anyone have a hobby of drawing, sketching, or reading storybooks? I hope many have these hobbies, right? Yes. So, when you do all these things, your mind will be fresh and you will be more active. Simply watching a TV, only watching your mobile phone is not good. So when you do all such activities, your mind will be fresh and you will be more active. Even some enjoy watching a movie or a puppet show. So some will enjoy by watching some good movies and a puppet show. So what do you mean by puppet show? Can you see in the picture here? So this is a puppet show. So puppet means it is a doll which is moved by string or wires. So you can see in the picture here. So they use some strings where the dolls which is moved by strings or wires. So the dolls are moved by the wires. It is moved by the fingers. So a person who will move this strings by their fingers. So that is called as a puppet show. Even some enjoying rides in an amusement park. So what do you mean by an amusement park? Did you see amusement park? So amusement park means it is a large outdoor area with fairgrounds, rides, shows and other entertainments. So inside that park you will have all the activities. So where you can have fun. So some people will enjoy by visiting the amusement park. So some people dance and sing to enjoy themselves. So some people will dance and sing to enjoy themselves. So some children enjoy playing video games. So some children will enjoy by playing video games. So you also will enjoy by playing video games is only for the limited time, not for a long time, right? Yes. So this is all about having fun. This is a way how you have fun.